ThisDJ808, 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 this DJ808, this DJ808, this DJ808, this DJ808, this DJ808, this DJ808.
I got a lot of pretty friends and they all like me. That's why you always see them at my home parties. Why you ain't invited as we all can see? Is it you or is it me? I got a lot of pretty friends and they all like me. That's why you always see them at my home parties. Why you ain't invited as we all can see? Is it you or is it me? I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of pretty friends and they all my all. I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of pretty friends and they all my all. I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of pretty, lot of, lot of, I got a lot of
this DJ808, 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 this DJ.
In the back and the money on tap. Yeah. Smile on my face when I step in the place. If you wanna spread hate, then you better step back. Yeah. You know, every time that I'm around, I'm trying to shut it down. Hot right now, I'm making the crowd shout for the fire inside. I'm trying to let it out like, hey, y'all. Grew a couple horns on my halo. Bad bees up in the place, so when you get down, better stay low. Stay low, stay low. Like, hey, yo, from the studio to the stage show, we be going hard every day, yo.
Ghetto style.
Right about now, funk soul rubber. Check it out now, funk soul rubber. Right about now, funk soul rubber. Check it out now, funk soul rubber. Right about now, right about
Major Lazer.
On the floor.
tell me where you went. All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume there will always be a place for you by my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take pleasure and pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the ring. I'll take pleasure and pain, secrets to my brain, 'cause you are the only one.
All 19 bills go. Fuck.
Always be a place for you. I'm alive, a man with this thinking face. I'm a man with this. It's real. He's like, come on. You know what to do.
How does it feel?
shit.
Give it to me like.
Thanks for listening anyway. I had 19 viewers before all my fucking problems started. Fucking nightmare. I'm gonna it was working perfectly yesterday. Everything was fine. And I could multicast across platforms with my new super fast fucking internet, but not tonight unfortunately. But thanks for listening anyway. I'll try again tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day, new set. Let's fucking do it. See you later.